Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I want to tell you how to solve auto restart problem. Sometimes your phone will restart abnormally due to technical issue or software glitches. This issue is occurring once to twice a day and sometimes gets stuck on the logo while restarting your phone. I will share with you my experience of solving this problem. You have to follow some important steps, then your phone will not have this problem anymore. Number 1. Force restart. First of all, you need to force restart your phone. To do this, press and hold the power button. Holding the power button until the display light turn off and the logo appear again. This process will take about 8 to 10 seconds. When the logo appear on phone screen, release the power button. Then your phone will start automatically. If your phone does not turn on with this method, then follow the second step. If your phone is turned on, then check your internal storage. Sometimes this problem is occur when the phone memory is being full. To check the storage, go to phone settings, then click on about phone, then click on storage, and you will see the storage on your phone. If the phone memory is full, then you can free the storage by deleting photo, video and APK file. Keep the internal storage free at least 20%. Friends, after that open phone settings. Then tap here and find power. You will get an instruction, schedule power on off. Click on it to open this function. If power on and power off time is enabled here, turn it off. Otherwise, your phone will restart automatically. Friends, after doing these settings, you will not face this kind of problem on your phone in future. Number 2. Recovery mode. If your phone does not turn on after force restart, then you need to restart the phone by entering recovery mode. To enter recovery mode, press and hold the power button and volume plus button simultaneously. After that, the screen light turn off and on again and you will see the logo here. Now release the power button and keep holding the volume plus button until recovery mode open. In this mode, touch screen does not work, so you can press the volume button to up and down and press the power button to confirm. Here the reboot option is selected. Now click on the power button once. Then reboot to system option will appear. Again click on the power button. After that, your phone will restart in few minutes. Usually, if there is a technical problem in your phone, it is solved only by doing a force restart. If still not resolved, follow the next step. Number 3. Service center. Guys, if all these steps does not work or your phone is still under warranty, then it is recommended to take it to service center. Nor either your phone motherboard is damaged or the phone software has crashed. Take your phone to the service center soon. Friends, I hope this information will be very helpful for you. So don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more informative video.